In this video, we will show you how to easily install seat swivels in Fiat Ducato, Peugeot Boxer, Citroën Jumper, Opel Movano, Toyota Pro Ace Max, and Ram Promaster. The assembly kit includes spacers, nuts, 6M8x30 screws, and 6M8x35 screws. The inscription on the rating sticker indicates which seat the swivel is intended for. If the seats are equipped with airbags, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Move the seat back and disconnect the wiring harness plugs. Remove the front screws that secure the seat rails to the base. Move the seat forward and remove the rear rail mounting screws. Remove the seat from the vehicle. Place the swivel on the seat base. Release the red lock and rotate the top swivel plate to access the screw holes. Secure the swivel to the seat base using the M8x30 screws included in the kit. Place the spacers included in the mounting kit on the swivel. Place the seat on the swivel, making sure that the holes in the seat guides align with the holes in the spacers and swivel. Using the M8x35 screws included in the kit, attach the front of the seat guides to the swivel. Move the seat forward. Screw the back of the seat rails to the swivel. To screw in the left rear of the guide, you must turn the seat completely. Reconnect the plugs under the seat. Connect the negative battery terminal. That's all. Your new Mobiframe swivels are ready for use.